I'm trying to diagnose a noise that some people are saying is rod knock. I'm really hoping it's not after looking at the price to fix that. Someone asked me to take a video of revving the engine while so I'm just gonna do that, and then I'll take one from this angle. I'll take one from underneath the car too. Alright, so that's the first angle. Now let's get kind of underneath the car where the noise is the loudest. I'll flip it this way. Alright. So, honestly, it does not sound like what the other videos of rod knock sounded like when I looked them up. I'm not really sure what it is, so there are the videos. You let me know your thoughts.